Hey guys, welcome to Tetris tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to find Spotify Wrap in 2023. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Now to find your Spotify Wrap, you'll just need to head onto your Spotify app for that one. So you should be able to see Wrap in there. So you'll just have to click onto that one, and then you should be able to see the Your 2023 Wrap in there. So you should see your top 2023 top songs, your stories, your feed, and your artist messages. So you'll just have to click onto that one. And if you click onto this orange big box in here or rectangle button, wherein it has summarized your 2023 Wrap. And that's just basically it onto finding Spotify Wrap in 2023. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.